This rose is for you, Berida. You are everything to me.
I love you, Pino. I really do.
I shouldn't be here, but I couldn't stay away.
Then stop pretending you don't want this.
I've never felt this free before.
Maybe this is where you were always meant to be. What is this?
Berida, I can explain.
There is nothing to explain, Pino. We are done.
Please, Berida, don't go.
If you've ever tried making an animated video with AI, you already know how this goes. You write a script in one tool, generate characters in another, stitch scenes together in a third, pray the lip sync doesn't fall apart in a fourth, and somewhere around hour 3, you realize you've built a Frankenstein workflow just to make a 60-second clip. I've tested more AI video tools than I can count at this point, and the one thing almost all of them get wrong is they only solve one piece of the puzzle. But I just found a tool that's trying to be the entire animation studio, and the way it works is genuinely different from anything I've shown you on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Anijam AI, which is a brand new AI animation platform that works like having a conversation with a production team. You describe what you want, and the AI agent handles the scripting, the storyboarding, the character design, the animation, the voiceover, and even the lip sync, all inside one browser window. I'll show you exactly how the workflow plays out, what it does well, where it still needs work, and by the end you'll know whether this belongs in your content toolkit or not. Let's get into it. The problem with AI animation right now. Here's where things stand in the AI animation space right now. If you want to create an animated video using AI tools, you're basically stitching together a pipeline from scratch every single time. You'll use one tool to write the script, another to generate consistent character images, a third tool to animate those images into video clips, and then a fourth to handle voiceover and lip sync. And if any one of those steps breaks or produces something that doesn't match the rest of your project, you're backtracking through the entire chain to fix it. The deeper problem isn't that these individual tools are bad. Some of them are genuinely impressive on their own. The problem is that none of them were designed to work together. Your character that looked perfect as a still image suddenly looks completely different once it's animated. Your voiceover timing doesn't match the scene length. Your lip sync warps the face because it was built for live action footage, not illustrated characters. Every handoff between tools is a place where your project can fall apart. And that's exactly the gap Anijam is trying to fill. Instead of being one more tool in the chain, it's trying to be the entire chain. From the idea in your head all the way to a finished animated video. But here's where it gets interesting. It does this through a chat-based AI agent, not a traditional editing interface. Think less timeline editor, more creative conversation, what Anijam actually is. So let me explain what Anijam is in plain terms before I show you anything. Anijam is an AI animation platform built around an agent workflow. The easiest way to think about it is ChatGPT, but for animation. You open a project, you start chatting with the AI, and the agent walks you through the entire production pipeline. It writes the script, breaks it into scenes, generates characters with consistent designs, creates the visual style, adds voiceover and lip sync, handles the motion, and lets you edit on a timeline, all from that same conversation. The platform was previously known as Ani Studio before rebranding, and it launched publicly around February 2026 when Adobe initially announced they were discontinuing Adobe Animate. That timing wasn't accidental. Anijam clearly positioned itself as the AI native alternative for creators who need animation without the traditional learning curve. Now here's the detail that matters most if you're watching this right now. Anijam is completely free to use. Not free with a waitlist. Not free if you get an invitation code from someone. Completely free, fully open, no invite code required. You sign up and you're in. You get 500 credits right away, plus a daily 50 credits as check-in bonus. That kind of open access won't last forever. But right now the barrier to entry is literally zero. The AI agent workflow, chat to create. Let's talk about the core feature. which is the AI agent workflow. Because this is what makes Anijam feel fundamentally different from every other animation tool I've tested. You start a new project, you're not dropped into a blank canvas with 100 buttons. You're dropped into a conversation. You type your idea. It can be a full script, a rough concept, even just a one-sentence premise. And the AI agent takes it from there. It generates scene breakdowns, suggests camera angles, creates storyboards, and starts building your animation pipeline automatically. There are 2 modes to choose from. AI Director mode is the one I'd recommend for most people, especially if you're new to animation or you just want speed. You describe what you want, and the AI makes all the creative decisions for you. Scene composition, pacing, transitions, the lot. Workflow mode gives you more granular control if you want to steer specific shots or override the AI's choices. Think of Director mode as, I trust you, just make it look good. And Workflow mode as, I have a specific vision, help me execute it. What actually surprised me is how much the agent handles without you having to intervene. You enter your idea, choose a visual style from the style library, and the AI automatically generates the scenes, designs the characters, and starts producing animation. The whole philosophy is that you should be making creative decisions, not technical ones. You shouldn't need to know anything about keyframes or frame rates or timeline editing to get a polished result. And by the way, this entire workflow runs in a browser. There's no app to download, no software to install. And here's the part that genuinely caught me off guard. You can do this entire process on your phone. The exact same AI agent, the exact same workflow, running in a mobile browser. That's a massive unlock for anyone who wants to create content on the go without being chained to a desktop. Character, consistency, and style. Now, if you've spent any time creating AI content, you know that character consistency is the make or break feature. It doesn't matter how good your animation looks, if your main character has a different face in every scene. Anijam handles this by letting you design a character once and then locking that identity across your entire project. The AI maintains facial features, proportions, clothing, and color palette as it generates new scenes. So your protagonist in scene 1 looks like the same person in scene 12. That sounds basic, but if you've ever tried to maintain a consistent character across multiple AI-generated images, you know how painful that problem actually is. On top of character consistency, Anijam gives you a style library with preset visual looks. You can pick an art style that fits your project, anime, cinematic, illustrated, whatever suits the story, and the platform maintains that style across every frame. This is huge for creators building a series or a brand around a specific visual identity. You set the look once, and the AI respects it throughout production. The combination of consistent characters and locked-in visual styles is what separates this from just generating random AI clips. This is how you build something that looks intentional and polished, not something that looks like 5 different AI tools mashed together. Voiceover and lip sync. Now, the feature that's going to matter most for anyone making content with dialogue is the voiceover and lip sync system. Anijam integrates voice generation directly into the pipeline. You can use text-to-speech to generate voiceover lines for your characters, and the AI automatically syncs the mouth movements to the audio. No separate lip sync tool. No exporting to a third-party app. It happens inside the same project in the same conversation. For creators specifically, think about what this means. You can create a talking animated character with a consistent look, a matching voice, and properly synced mouth movements, without recording a single second of your own audio. That's a complete animated spokesperson built from a text prompt. Now, is the lip sync flawless? It's good, especially for the kind of short-form animated content most creators are actually making. Explainer videos, social media shorts, channel intros, educational clips. For those use cases, the sync quality is more than good enough to look professional. The timeline editor and export. Once the AI agent has built your animation, you're not stuck with whatever it generated. Anijam gives you a timeline editor where you can adjust pacing, trim scenes, rearrange shots, and fine-tune the final output before you export. This is where the platform starts to feel like an actual production tool, and not just a toy. You can tweak the timing of individual scenes, adjust where transitions land, and refine the overall flow of your video without starting over from scratch. The AI does the heavy lifting, but you still have creative control over the final cut. For export, Anijam supports formats ready for social media: YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Shorts. So you can go from a text idea to a published animated short without ever leaving the platform. That end-to-end speed is the entire value proposition here, and honestly, for short-form content, it delivers. Who is this actually for? So let me be straight about who should actually pay attention to this. If you're a content creator, running educational channels, explainer channels, or story-driven content and you've been wanting to add animation, but the learning curve of traditional tools kept you out, Anijam removes that barrier entirely. You don't need After Effects skills. You don't need to understand rigging or keyframing. You just need an idea. If you're a marketer who needs quick animated ads, product explainers, or social content that stands out from the endless sea of stock footage and talking heads, this gives you a new format to work with at zero cost right now. If you're an educator or course creator who wants to turn lessons into engaging animated stories instead of slide decks, this is built for exactly that workflow. And if you're someone who just has stories to tell and has never had access to animation tools before, Anijam's whole pitch is that you shouldn't need a production background to bring your ideas to life. Based on what I've seen, that pitch actually holds up. The platform is still early. It's actively being developed. New features are shipping regularly, and the free open access won't last forever. Right now, there's no invite code, no waitlist, no paywall. Just sign up and start creating. So if any of what I showed you today looks useful, now is the time to get in and start experimenting before the pricing model changes. I'll drop the link to Anijam down in the description so you can try it out yourself. Remember, it's completely free, no invitation code needed, open to everyone, just sign up and start creating. It works on both desktop and mobile browsers, no app download required. Let me know in the comments which part of the workflow interests you most. Is it the AI agent chat to create approach, the character consistency, or the built-in lip sync? I'm genuinely curious what you'd use it for first. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I break down AI tools like this every week. What's real, what's hype, and what's actually worth your time. I'll see you in the next one.